Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. You know why we're here. It's wash day. This is like a 10-day-old wash and go. It's the holiday time. It's life got to life and I haven't been able to make my way to a shampoo bowl in about 10 days. So this is the end of the Dear Mama Honey Dip Wash and Go. So my hair stayed intact for the entire time. A couple days ago we went in and made it purple. So let's go ahead, wash it out, get reset and everything. I still have my braid across the front. It has held up the entire week. I haven't done anything to it. So I'm going to take these two braids down and then go wash my hair. Let's shop for this week's curls. We need cleansing agents and styling agents. During the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, the only thing that I wanted was a new Tangle Teaser brush, and I wanted the Design Essentials Honey Cream shampoo and mask. Those are the only things that I wanted during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. I got my Tangle Teasers, but I never got my Design Essential shampoo. I was sad. I was devastated. It's 7 in the morning. We y'all already sold out all of the Design Essentials honey shampoo already. I'm upset. A few days later, while I was in Walmart looking through their curly hair section, I ran across a shampoo that I have been looking for since I don't know how long. It's been quite a while. Last year sometime. I probably mentioned it a time or two in a previous video. When I spotted it at my local Walmart for the first time, I picked it up right away. So for today's cleansing agents, I'm going to use my new shampoo. And I'm excited. We are going to go in with the Doux Breakdown Clarifying Shampoo. Very gentle, perfect for wash day. We're using the Ladies First Supercharged Honey Moisture Retention Shampoo. And since we're going in with the Ladies First Honey Shampoo, it only makes sense to go in with the Sweetest Thing Honey Moisture Mask. Right? Exactly. For styling today, we're going to need a leave-in conditioner, sealant, and a styler. For our leave-in conditioner, we're going in with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I hear this is a good leave-in conditioner, so I'm looking forward to trying it out and seeing how my hair adjusts to it. For our sealant, we're going in with the Bronner Super Grow Maximum Strength Hair Grease. And then for our styler, Big Poppa for our styler, because Big Poppa never does me wrong. Honey. Do we see a theme? Do we see a trend? This leave-in conditioner has really good reviews among the curly hair community, so I'm going to give it a try. This is also the leave-in conditioner that I see Narada use on his page, so obviously. And if I ever run across that Design Essentials hair grease that I see him use, I'll be picking that up too. Those are today's wash day products. Let's go get started. Woke up today and decided I wanted purple curls. I did not have purple hair paint wax on hand, but I did have blue and red hair paint. So we mixed those two together and made a nice little plum shade. It's actually wash day, but before I reset my hair for the week, I like to have a little fun with my curls. You know, be a little whimsical.
And some of y'all need more whimsy. You gotta be more whimsical. Okay? Do something silly. So goddamn serious all the time. You see the world's on fire, bitch? Be whimsical. Find some time to be whimsical.
I rinsed the deep conditioner out. Now it's time to style. So I'm going to go in with the leave-in across my entire head. My hair is really soft. My hair feels great. My hair feels really good. Okay, leave-in on my entire head. Let's put this back on the back portion. Let's part off our top portion for braiding. Here are our 2 front braids. Going to go ahead and begin washing going in the back. Re-dampen the section. Go in with my hair grease, and I'm going to apply it sort of like I applied my leave-in. So I'm gonna apply it to the entire section. Starting with the ends, working my way on up. Get a little bit more because that is a pretty large section of hair. I'm gonna take about that much. I'm gonna put this in this entire section. Making sure I pay attention to this crown area of mine because that is what gives me the hardest challenge. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure that is, let's get that out of the way there. Make sure that is all combed in to all of the sections. Now that I have the hair grease all combed in, I'm going to go ahead and style my wash and go per usual using my Big Poppa defining gel. And after it's combed in, of course, I don't use a styling brush after that, so it's just a pretty quick process for me. Cardi B has entered the chat with her new hair care line called Grow Good. Cardi certainly isn't new when it comes to talk about hair. Cardi has interests. She had all the girlies going crazy when she dropped her gem about rice water a few years back. Cardi's new hair care line consists of repair shampoos and repair conditioners. Extra repair shampoo and conditioner is an option for those of you that may want a little something extra. She has a hydrating mask and a multifunction serum. All products appear to be priced in a very affordable range between $15 and $20. From relaxed to curly girl and everything in between, the products that she has released are products that everyone can use. All items are currently sold out, but the website does say that restock will take place on April 15th. If you're planning on checking out some of Cardi B's new Grow Good hair care, be sure to join the waitlist and mark your calendars. Reverse styling or reverse wash and go. This is a styling technique that is currently making its way around the internet. This is a technique that consists of stretching the hair out by means of using some sort of heat source and then styling the ends of the hair only. The purpose of this styling technique is to achieve a more elongated and voluminous wash and go look. Although I'm not a fan of using excessive amounts of heat to blow out my hair, I do understand that this is a way to achieve a certain look. Do I think this technique should be used every week? Probably not. Not unless you're already a natural that regularly blows out your hair. If you're a natural that wears your hair in its curly state 90% of the time or more, blowing out your hair week after week could potentially loosen your curl pattern. But is reverse styling just another viral moment that'll fall off soon? Or are we vibing with? Do you see this technique being something that's regularly used for years to come? Let me know. Harmful chemicals lurk in extensions and braiding hair marketed to Black women. NBC News recently published an article. The same chemicals found present in pipes, pesticides, and floor tiles are also found present in some wigs, braiding hair, and hair extensions, a new study found. The researchers tested 43 hair products, y'all. 43! And they were able to identify 169 chemicals. Chemicals known to cause birth defects, cancer, and reproductive issues. Last year, Consumer Reports revealed that carcinogens were found in 10 popular synthetic braiding hair brands, and 9 of the 10 samples tested positive for lead. Very scary stuff, girlfriends. This is very scary stuff. The best thing we can do during these times is stay informed. That's all on this week's editions of The Curl Report. Good morning, it's the next morning. Let's unbox this hair and see what we got before life get to life in it. I don't get to come back at all. Shiny. Oh, still a little damp. Lame. Well, we're still a little damp. It was like 2 in the morning, so I may have did a rush job when it was time to dry because I was ready to go to bed. So, yeah, let me get this all dry and then we'll come back and stretch it a little bit later. But this is fresh out the bonnet. I'll turn around so you can see the back. Okay, I'll be back once I'm all dry. This was my first time using the Ladies First Supercharged Moisture Retention Shampoo by the Doux, and I am a huge fan. When this got to going on my strands, I knew I was in good hands. A luxury experience. A luxury experience. It has been quite the journey trying to actually get my hands on it with it always being sold out, but I see why. I see why this is always sold out. This is a great moisturizing shampoo. This combination of products is going to leave you with very hydrated and moisturized hair going into your next style. This should be called the Moisture Boost Starter Pack because, yeah. Still have my little braid under there, as you can see. Have my little braid, edges tucked away. Again, intentional styling. We're going to call that intentional styling because it definitely isn't for looks. It's for purpose. Yeah, see that? I need this to come on down. Bring it on down. We're getting there. I want it to be at this level. So then once this grows down here, I can have a nice little angle. But I can't do an angle because I'm missing a lot of hair right here. You see that? You see how that worked? Yeah. This side is down a little bit further. This side, we got a ways to go. Once this comes down here and it's connected, I think I'll be happier. Yeah. But thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next wash day.